Taylor Frankie Paul is a prominent American social media influencer and reality TV personality. She gained widespread fame through her engaging lifestyle and motherhood-related content on TikTok and Instagram, where she has amazed millions of followers. Taylor Frankie Paul, a 31-year-old reality star from Hulu's The Secret Lives of Mormon Wives, has been announced as the lead for season 22 of ABC's The Bachelorette, set to premiere in 2026. She announced the news on September 10, 2025 during an appearance on Alex Cooper's Call Her Daddy podcast, describing the opportunity as surreal and expressing nervousness about juggling her role as a single mother of three with the show's demands. She gained mainstream notoriety in 2022 when she publicly revealed her involvement in a Mormon soft swinging community scandal which led to her divorce from her ex-husband Ted Paul. This revelation brought significant national attention to the group of Mormon influencers she was part of and was featured in Hulu's reality series The Secret Lives of Mormon Wives, where Taylor's life, including her personal struggles and relationships, is portrayed with unfiltered honesty. Taylor has 3 children, 2 from her previous marriage and 1 with her current partner, Dakota Mortensen. Despite challenges including a domestic incident leading to her arrest in early 2023, she continues to maintain a strong social media presence and co-parenting relationships. She revealed the news on the Call Her Daddy podcast, calling the moment surreal and acknowledging the logistical challenges of travel and co-parenting while filming. In February 2023, Taylor was arrested on misdemeanor charges including assault, criminal mischief, and domestic violence in the presence of a child. She later pleaded guilty to aggravated assault. Other charges were dropped. Taylor described it as the hardest time of her life and has reflected publicly on the emotional impact it had on her. Gained national attention in 2022 for revealing her involvement in a soft swinging circle within her Mormon community, an admission that led to her divorce from her first husband Ted Paul.